Hans. So today the task that is given to us is to discuss a very important topic for us. That is, the situation given is the nature society of your university, or is organizing a nature week. As the members of the society, we should discuss and decide the best activity for the week. So may I start first?
Yes.
So I would like to choose organizing a tree planting activity. Why we should we should use tree planting activity? Because this can make us remember what is the importance of the tree.
Yeah.
Because tree is very important in our life. Without trees, actually we cannot survive in the earth. Because of what? Because tree provides oxygen and reduces the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So by the photosynthesis also, the trees can provide food for humans. Can we imagine if there is no tree? That means there will be no photosynthesis in the earth, and there will be no food for the human. Not only for the human, but also for the animals. So tree is a very important component in our daily life. So it is very important for us to know the importance of the tree, and for us to remember the tree, we have to plant the tree. So I think that does justify my point. So what do you think about the nature week?
Okay, how about community?
Okay, for me, I choose. To the university should organize trip to the national park. Why? We know the national park has oldest rainforest in the world. Yeah, tropical rainforest in the world. So in that tropical rainforest, we have a river and also a forest that we can explore. And also in national park, we also have a organizer that will organize our activity in there. There are many activities that been held in that in the national park, such as a boat driver, your boat craft, or anything else, and we jungle trekking and the others. There's so many funny and adventurous activities. So for those like to adventure and like a challenging activities and like to involve in nature activity, they should go there, and it's a good opportunity of the community to give students in this university to go national park and they will experience many activity that make them feel love to the nature. That's my point. And also I think activity in there can make they know how to keep the nature safe, and also not also the tree, and it also keep the wildlife in a safe situation. That's all from me, I think.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all candidates. So, in my opinion, I think the best activity for nature week, I think, is camping trip to reserve forest. Why I said that? Because we know when we go into a camping trip to the forest, we have a ranger, right?
Yes.
We have a ranger. So the ranger will guide us, and he will show us how to plant a tree. Also, he show how the ecosystem works. So we can take that learning and we can apply it into our university. Like from that, from that knowledge we can build like a landscape. Also, we are from University Putra Malaysia, so I think that's will give us advantage being a agriculture student. Also, when we're going to a reserve forest, it also teach us how to discipline ourselves because we know going to a reserve forest we are restrict to touch the tree because it is a reserve forest, right? So it's untouchable. So it can build what should we call that? Discipline inside ourselves. Yes. Also, a ranger also show how to take care of forest. Why I say that because take care of forest, we can show also we can keep it until younger to the next generation. So the forest will not gone when for a long time. Also, based on the research, going to a forest, we know when we look at the green things, we can release our stress, right? When we look at the nature, we look at the scenery, it's a beautiful scenery, we can release our stress. Also, nature is good for our brains. Why? Because it enhance our mental functioning and it's helping us to focus more. So that's why I choose this activity. So, Pendidik ni.
So, good evening to everyone. So, for my opinion, I think the best activity that we can do for nature week is we do some activities such as recycling activity.
Recycling day.
Yeah, recycling day. For the reason why I think recycling is the best activity, it is because there is a lot of trash in our surrounding, right? So I think we should do some this activity to lessen the trash in our surrounding. Other than that, it saves our cost because money, because nowadays there are too many trees being cut down to produce more papers. So I think we should gather all the papers that have been used by the students at our university, and then we recycle them back to become a new product. New product. Other than moreover, I think recycling is the best because it is also important for our nature. It's because some things like the plastic bags, there's a lot. We see them a lot. We already seen them a lot at the highways. So I think we should
At the streets.
at the streets. So we should take them and then recycle them back to become. So I think that's all.
Okay, so for my, can I not conclude, but I want to
Discuss.
Discuss.
discuss
Yes.
which is the best.
Yeah, you can start first.
So for me I think for us to know the nature, we have to feel it. So when you feel it in national park, the activity make us to feel the nature. So I think it's the best activity that can do in nature week. So it's my opinion.
So I'm sorry to ask this, but why you think like that? So what's your reasoning?
I think the people didn't know much about the nature, so they will think it's not a important thing that we have to keep the nature safe. So I think it's a must for us to make the student feel it.
At nature park.
Yeah,
But how about the mining?
or the money.
Yes, because
It says the university organizing it. Yeah, it says university should
so
organize
the
it.
student will not pay for it.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, I think that's good. So how about your?
In my opinion, at first I think that tree planting activity is the best way to best activity for the nature week. But after hearing all of the opinions, I actually agree with candidate B that recycling activity is the best way, because what it is the most the simplest thing that we can all do. Everyone in every age can do it. It is a very simple activity. We can even make the environment clean by doing recycle. We can not only remember the nature, but we can also make our environment clean. So I actually agree with the recycling campaign.
Sorry to interrupt, but I agree with that.
Yeah.
That's good.
You agree also?
Yeah, I
Yes.
agree.
For me, personally, I also agree with you because recycling activity is a very advantage for us because we can learn it, we can teach to a younger generation. Yes. So they will continue the recycling activity. So they will what we call it, do it. So I think.
So that's why I agree that you give a good point. So
Okay, so how about my idea? I think my idea is like
Also best.
also
Yeah,
best
I
also,
think
yes.
I think this is
Yeah.
also best because we
What is it?
we will go for.
also for this, yes.
So how about you?
In addition, I just want to add something for my just
Because
to
of
convince
legend, yeah.
all of you that my point is my idea is the best. It's because it will save cost. You don't need to arrange a big program. You just need to like tell every student in the university that the week is nature week, and then we also just need to display some ads like doing some recycling activities, and then the thing that has been recycled, I also think that we can sell them.
That's all right. So we can get a lot of money.
We
from
can
it.
get a lot of money.
Yeah.
Can get money also.
Okay. So I want to
In my opinion, I heard about Kamal ideas, candidate candidate A ideas, which is tree planting, right? I think that's a good idea. So because tree plantings, it can for nature, it can what we call it, produce oxygen for us. Because nowadays we have what we call that, burning forest. So that's disaster. So tree planting is very good. So how about you?
Plant more trees.
How about that?
I think it's a good tool. So I didn't have much point about that side, but I want to ask candidate D on how to provide how to encourage the student to keep recycle
To keep recycle.
even after the nature week.
After the
I mean in the everyday they will recycle. How recycle? On how?
Oh, how? So it is easy for us for the university to encourage the students, which is we use trash garbage. The garbage bin, recycle bin. Yeah, there are three types of garbage bin. Right?
Yes.
So I think by doing that, there are plastics, papers, and glass. Right. So I think if university provides that garbage bin, so I think it is easier
yes.
for the student to keep
Recycling.
recycling.
I think that is a good point. When the university provides more recycle bin, then the student will be more aware to keep on recycling every day. So I think we have a conclusion that the best activity for the nature week would be the recycling program. So do you agree with my point?
Yeah, I agree.
So
That's good.
Strongly agree.
Strongly agree.
So from our discussion, we can conclude that we strongly agree that recycling day is the best activity for the nature week.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.